Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can find and replace word in the spreadsheet. So you can open the spreadsheet and Google Sheet, and to find and replace the word you can press the Ctrl and H button on your keyboard and it appears like this. So you can type the word in the box find. For example, and change to word, just type on here, for example, and you can click replace all to replace all the word. Click OK, and you can see the word has been replaced. Just click done. So simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.